Alright people, so finally, finally I've got my snack crate. Now, at the time of me filming, and this is the 18th of July, which is quite late to receive the snack crate. Now, bear in mind, I did receive an email off them saying that there's going to be a delay and that they would ship the box either on the 5th of July or the 8th of or the 8th of July, and it's usually 48-hour tracking. So if it was shipped on the 5th or the 8th, it won't have been much longer after that. But I mean, to get this on the 18th, it's really it's really quite late. So it's good to finally have it. Upgrade to the ultimate box. You know, if you do upgrade to that ultimate box, you get 12 more snacks, as you can see. But I'm pretty sure it's an extra £25, which I really do not think it's worth it. Okay, so here we go, Italy. I'd like to give a shout out to Kissable Demon. She also got into snack crates through my videos. So yeah, shout out to you, Kissable Demon. And what do we have here? Oh, this is kind of like a Top Trumps card. Chocotron. Power. Shoot streams of liquid chocolate to build or defend. Power 4. Defense 2. Sweetness 3. I wonder if they're going to start including these in every snack box, and then you sort of build up like a pile of them that you could sort of play Top Trumps with. I used to play Top Trumps many years ago, but we would do it for down-offs, as in booze. You know, there would be a little group of us, say 3 or 4, and we would all play Top Trumps, and then the loser does like a big down-off, but it would be like vodka, Sambuca, Malibu, all sorts of different things in a pint glass, like, you know, like a whole concoction of different things, and then you down it. So, yeah, fun times, fun times. Pesto flavoured crisps. You know, green pesto goes nice in pasta with chopped vegetables. So I'm quite curious to try this. It seems like Italy love their crisps as much as what was the last one I had? Was it French? I'm pretty sure it was French, and there was lots of crisps in there. What we have here, Patania. Okay, so that's a lime. And what are those? Are those pomegranates or something? Pomegranate seeds? Yeah, those are pomegranate seeds. Lime and pomegranate. I think that's going to be quite an interesting, unique flavour. This almost looks like a pack of cigars or cigarettes. Grisby. Lemon cream. Nice. Fonzie's Glee Original. I'm guessing that means just like original flavour, which would be like, you know, salted. You know, like the ready salted Walkers. I tell you, what I haven't had in ages. Can you remember Salt and Shake? It's like a white packet, and then you open it up, and there's a little blue sachet of salt in there, and then you would pour it in, and then you would give the bag a shake. I haven't had those in years. Are they even still available? Okay, pizza flavoured crisps, or corn chips, corn snacks. You know, like the same sort of things that Cheetos are made out of, or those onion ring crisp thingies you can get. You see, like these are potato crisps, or chips, as Americans call them. And then these are made from like corn. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, so it's some sort of chocolate cake with what I presume on top is coconut flakes. Not a big fan of coconut, but hey ho. Hey ho, we'll still give it a go. What are these? Apologies to earphone wearers if that was a bit too noisy. Okay, Ollie de Oliver. Oh, it's olives. Oh no, that kind of looks like olive crisps. Olive pretzel sticks. Yeah, you really hate olives, so that's gonna be no. That's how much I hate olives. I was gonna say it'd be interesting to try for the video, but after my reaction, I don't think you would want to see me tasting one. Duplo. This is like a Aldi version of a Kinder Bueno, literally. Here we have. Oh, it's one of them pistachio things. So it's like an Oreo with pistachio filling by the looks of it. There's another cream cake, tiramisu, which is like coffee and cream. Or is it latte and cream or cappuccino and cream? One or the other. Here we have a. Is that an apricot? Apricot. Is that supposed to be like an apricot pizza? I mean, it feels like no, do you know what I think it is? You know the jammy dodgers we get in here, where it's like a biscuit with jam in the middle. Yeah, well, this is like the same thing. It's shortbread, but I'm guessing with apricot rather than the strawberry in the middle. So those are like wafer biscuits. Really not sure what that is. It says lemon. There's quite a bit of weight to that for a small container. There's quite a bit of weight to it. What do we have here? Okay, so that's bacon. No, it's not bacon, it's prosciutto. I'm guessing it's prosciutto flavoured crackers. What we have here, fruit gelador. So fruit jellies, or kind of like wine gums. Oh, we got 2 drinks in this one. Usually it's only one. Lemon soda mojito. Okay, so it's like a, mojito is a cocktail, but so I'm guessing this is like a alcohol-free mojito. Yeah, you usually only get 1 drink in the premium box. Fiesta chocolate covered cream cake thingy. Chocolate covered sponge cake with cream in the middle. And here we get our little whatever they are sweets. You see, in here you tend to get like 25 snacks, and sometimes they include these things. And the box costs you about 25 quid. Do you think they're worth £1 each? Because I don't. I'm not sure what they are. We'll have to get to that point in the video, because in in the leaflet, it tells you information about what they are, along with interesting facts about the country. I have a lot of these saved up, which I keep meaning to do videos on. I did do one on Sweden quite a while ago, but I've still got a lot to go through. Okay, Haribo Zenzero Limon. I'm guessing Zenzero means ginger, because you see there, ginger and lemon. Here we have a straw, which I'm guessing is for this. You see where the arrow there is pointing to the little cross. Do you know what? I think those are some sort of mint, peppermint or something. And these little red things, possibly toffee. Yeah, definitely toffee. Definitely toffee. Okay, and here we have a wafer. So it's like a hazelnut cream filled wafer bar. So again, kind of similar to Kinder Bueno, but without the chocolate coating on the outside, I guess. Novi. So we have nuts on there, and I'm guessing it's some sort of chocolate and nut bar. Hopefully not dark chocolate. Hopefully not dark. Judging by the colour of the chocolate on the package, I'm guessing it's milk chocolate, which is good. I really hate dark chocolate. Here we have more of them chewy things. Well, you see, these are cola flavoured. This is fruit. Okay, and that's everything. Let's just give everything a count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and then the drink 26. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy that I haven't paid like, what was I saying earlier about £1 each for them little sweets. Basically, we've got another drink. Like I mentioned earlier, you normally only get one drink in these, but we've got 2, which is really good. And I'll be doing a taste test on these with my dad and nephew, so we'll see you in that video. And also, I've got ingredients to make a mint chocolate cheesecake, which I might do a video on. And so yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next episode. So as always, hope you're all having a good time. Hope you're all okay wherever you are in the world. Pardon me, whether it's nighttime, daytime, and yeah, see you in the next episode. Peace out, take care. Peace.